In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to price your item on eBay. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your seller tools and how to choose a strong, competitive price using eBay's built-in options. Start by heading to the eBay homepage and selecting Sell. This opens your selling workspace and gives you quick access to your current and upcoming listings. It's the easiest way to get right back into anything you've already started drafting. Next, hover your cursor over the listings menu to reveal more options. Depending on your view, this menu may sit across the top or along the left side of your seller area. You're looking for the section that groups everything you're working on, so you can quickly jump into pricing without rebuilding a listing from scratch. Choose Drafts to see items you've started but haven't published yet. This is a great place to finalize pricing before your listing goes live. You'll see a list of your saved items including titles and thumbnails, so you can pick the one you're ready to finish. Find the correct item and click Resume Draft. This opens the full listing form with all the details you've already entered. Take a second to confirm you're in the right draft, especially if you have similar items, since pricing will be specific to condition, version, or bundle contents. In the listing form, scroll down until you reach the pricing section. This area is dedicated to the amount a buyer will see, and it's where you'll make the biggest impact on visibility and conversion. If the page layout looks a little different for you, keep an eye out for a header labeled pricing or a similar term within the form. Enter your item price in the price field. As you type, think about the item's condition, any included accessories, and your overall goals. Competitive pricing can help listings attract more watchers and early interest, while premium pricing can work for excellent condition or hard-to-find items. Consider using clear, buyer-friendly numbers, and remember you can always revise later if market response suggests a small adjustment. You may also see a recommended price from eBay. This suggestion is based on recent sales and similar active listings. If it appears and looks right for your item, you can apply it with a click. Treat it as a data-backed starting point, helpful for alignment with the current market, then weigh it against your item's unique strengths, like better condition or faster handling. That's it. With your price set in the draft, you're well positioned to finish your listing confidently and present it to the right buyers at the right value.